Welcome to the Cisco Security Architecture Specialization Training, A7, Licensing and Software Lifecycle Management. This is Part 7 of Cisco Security Architecture Specialization Training for Account Managers. Before beginning this module, please make sure that you have completed A1 through A6, which provide foundational information. At the end of Part 7, account managers should be able to demonstrate knowledge of: first, licenses Cisco offers to customers; second, the lifecycle management process. In this course, we will cover: first, the various license options available; second, the 5 phases of lifecycle management, including activate, adopt, cross and upsell, asset management, and renew. Licensing and software lifecycle management. Cisco delivers a comprehensive solution framework. As we've seen before, Cisco's solution framework is segmented into 3 main categories: content, network, and access, and delivers value across each. Cisco delivers solutions through software licenses and enhances their value with software lifecycle management. Cisco software licensing includes enterprise license agreements, license bundling, and the new Cisco One software suites. Each of these license categories provides something different to the customer, from an all-encompassing agreement to new software suites. Cisco provides long-term support when a customer purchases a license with software lifecycle management. The lifecycle is a detailed 5-phase process that guides the partner through the duration of the license, leading to increased customer service and partner sales opportunities. Starting with the enterprise license agreement, we will take a deeper look at the different Cisco software license offerings. Enterprise license agreements, or ELAs, are a single agreement for an entire organization. ELAs lower complexity by being structured as one agreement that covers software and subscriptions. Although the length of an ELA can vary, the average term is 3 years. Also, only authorized partners are currently able to sell ELAs, but this may change in the future. They also provide an unlimited consumption model. No longer does the customer have to feel constrained to specific usage requirements. ELAs also allow for up to 20% organic company growth at no extra charge. ELAs have upfront pricing, so customers don't need to worry about unforeseen costs down the road. Finally, customers can also find a payment option that works for them by working with Cisco Capital. ELAs are structured to deliver cost savings, control, and design flexibility. ELAs delivers cost savings through lowering management complexity, as customers only need one agreement for the whole organization. By offering expanded agreement visibility and streamlining deployment, ELAs deliver customers increased control. ELAs deliver customers the flexibility to develop an ELA that works for them, as it can cover software, subscriptions, and support. To enhance ELA management, Cisco Smart Accounts provides increased license visibility. With IT departments purchasing licenses across departments, organizations, and countries, it can become hard to keep track of what licenses they own. To combat this, Smart Accounts aims to give a master-level view of all licenses owned by all organizations across all geographies in a single account. Smart Accounts enables customers to better manage their software assets and optimize their IT spend, leading to a better customer experience. Smart Licensing builds upon Smart Accounts and delivers additional license management tools. In addition to delivering the same great license visibility tools as Smart Accounts, Smart Licensing helps solve other common licensing issues. Without Smart Licensing, the customer had to manually register each piece of software on the ELA, costing IT time and resources. But with Smart Licensing, registration has been simplified. There's no longer a need for product activation keys, PAC. Now the customer can activate the license by the organization and not the software. Before, the customer had to buy and manage separate licenses for separate devices, only adding to the complexity. With Smart Licensing, the customer now has flexible licensing, which can be easily transferred between devices in a company. Smart Licensing brings the visibility tools to simplify managing enterprise license agreements. Current bundling packages also offer great licensing value. Cisco offers platforms, software packages, and bundles to address the unique needs of customers across all industries. These solutions have been created to streamline asset management, lower complexity, and meet changing customer needs. As customers bundle more software together, they receive more value, and more revenue is generated for the partner. Software Suites offers flexible consumption models and more value than a la carte purchasing. Customers will spend a little more money to receive a lot more value. Cisco solutions also deliver a diverse set of deployment options. Cisco provides many solutions that are available on physical devices, virtually, and in the cloud. Regardless of the customer's current platform, there's a solution that can work for them. Cisco platforms provide investment protection that allow a customer flexibility as they grow. As Cisco looks to the future, we aim to address the ever-changing needs of customers. Cisco One was developed to offer a more focused suite that decreases complexity. Although these new software suites are not currently available, Cisco One will provide customers and partners a whole new way to look at software suites. In the past, a customer had to purchase each piece of software separately, but Cisco One is focused on developing logical software groupings into software suites. The 3 suites will be grouped by domain-specific and cross-domain use cases, including WAN, Data Center, and Access. In addition, Cisco One Advanced Security Services is a separate software license suite that operates on products like ASA and ASAV. Customers used to have to purchase new hardware licenses when they wanted to upgrade their software. This is no longer necessary with the license portability of Cisco One. If a customer upgrades their appliance but wants to keep the same software licenses, with Cisco One, it is a simple switch without needing to create a new agreement. Previously, license options were limited, offering only a few license types. Cisco One now provides customers flexible buying options. Whether the customer would like to buy a standardized license, a perpetual license that has no defined end date, or a subscription-based license, the customer can find the right combination for them. Cisco One will be split into 3 suites. Cisco One Foundation Elements provides policy-based fabric service, L2 and L3 services, and infrastructure management. Cisco One Advanced Application Services is optimized for end-to-end application delivery. The Advanced Services subscription may be purchased per domain suite, or as a subset within a suite, or as a package across 3 domains. Finally, Cisco One Advanced Security Services is a separate offering meant to support Cisco One security policies across platforms such as the ASA and ASAV. Cisco One will offer practical software suites that meet the customer's needs and lower complexity. From all-you-can-eat plans to specific software suites, Cisco offers a software license that meets the diverse needs of their customers. Once the license is purchased, the software lifecycle management process begins, but that wasn't always the case. In the past, after a customer purchased a license, salespeople would drop the license and not return to guide the customer through the remainder of their contract. With software lifecycle management, Cisco delivers a better way. Software lifecycle management not only increases customer service, but guides a partner through all phases of software lifecycle, from activation to the renewal process. This software lifecycle management delivers partners the structure and support to help improve their performance. Configuring and onboarding new software can take time, but with software lifecycle management, the partner works with the customer to develop a strategic plan that will help increase efficiencies. In addition, the lifecycle leads partners through the art of the up and cross-sell, equipping them to identify new sales opportunities and improve sales performance. Finally, if the lifecycle is conducted successfully, the partner will have supported the customer through the duration of their license. Building the relationship and trust of a customer is a competitor differentiator that could increase the chances of the customer renewing their contracts. Having a software lifecycle framework is an important piece of a successful business strategy. To provide partners and customers value throughout the duration of the license, software lifecycle management provides distinct strategies for each phase, consisting of activate, adopt, upsell and cross-sell, asset management, and renew. Activate helps the partner deliver the customer a great onboarding experience, whereas adopt is focused on providing end users the space to learn and adapt to the new software. Cross and upselling is for identifying new sales opportunities, whereas asset management is focused on tracking and optimizing licenses already in existence. Finally, as the license duration comes to a close, it's important for the partner to facilitate the renewal process. Activate, the first phase of lifecycle management, aims to deliver a smooth installation of Cisco software. The activation stage is the first experience the customer has with the software they just purchased. To provide a smooth transition, the partner collaborates with the customer to create an activation strategy and development plan. The activation plan is focused on setting a time frame for when infrastructure components will receive the new software and get it turned on. The deployment plan will take this one step further by determining how the software purchased will be implemented into the current or new infrastructure. This includes planning for issues that may arise and creating resolution plans. Once the customer has their software activated, the next focus of a partner is to help customers be comfortable with the new software. The challenge of software adoption in any organization is getting end users comfortable with the new software. To meet this challenge, partners can develop targeted use cases and offer workshops and trainings. Helping users learn the new software is only one aspect of adoption in lifecycle management, as partners should also focus on change management as a customer transfers from the old software to the new. As a partner builds an understanding of a customer's usage patterns and possible future needs, they can begin to implement up- and cross-sell strategies. The third phase of software lifecycle management is about identifying new sale prospects, leveraging upsell and cross-sell strategies. The art of the up- and cross-sale is focused on anticipating the needs of the customer and providing additional services and bundles to meet these unrealized needs. This can be done through upselling, such as selling larger bundles, or through cross-selling, such as selling additional software that is added onto a purchase or agreement. Asset management provides the customer increased visibility into their license utilization. The fourth phase of the life cycle allows partners and customers to jointly optimize and fully utilize software licenses. With the help of Cisco Smart License and Cisco Smart Accounts portals, partners have the ability to create deep analytics and customized reports for their customers to see how a license can be better optimized. Partners can also track utilization rates to better understand how the current license is working for the customer and help them better plan for the future. The final phase of the software life cycle, renew, is vital to the longevity of the partner's business and to customer satisfaction. Partners who want to increase their renewal numbers must have a developed strategy. The renewal process begins early in the software life cycle through strong relationship management, then through reviewing software utilization on the customer's current plan and developing a renewal license proposal. Cisco recommends that while the relationship building should be done throughout the duration of the license, the renewal conversation should begin no later than 90 days before the license ends. From activation to the renewal, proper software lifecycle management arms partners with the tools to successfully manage customer software licenses. If the partner is able to navigate each of these phases successfully, their customers will have better activation and increased adoption. Partners will experience improved sales performance with up- and cross-selling. Customer licenses will be optimized, increasing overall satisfaction, all resulting in higher renewal rates through optimal engagement throughout the software lifecycle process. To learn more about software lifecycle management, please see the elective module, Architecture Planning and Software Lifecycle, 200 level. Thank you. You will now be taking the A8 T6 Cross Architecture Solutions module.